Hello guys, I am Brosnandale Turshende. So welcome to our video tutorials. And our topic today is all about the second law of thermodynamics. Here's our sample problem. A household refrigerator with a COP of 1.2 removes heat from the refrigerated space at 60 kilojoules per minute. Determine the electric power consumed by the refrigerator and the rate of heat transfer to the kitchen air. So looking at our given here, we can solve for the electric power consumed by the refrigerator through work net in is equal to heat rejected to low temperature medium over the COP. So putting the values 60 kilojoule per minute over 1.2. So we have our answer here for our first question, 50 kilojoule per minute. So for the second question, the rate of heat transfer to the kitchen air, we can solve this through this formula. Work net in is equal to QH minus QL. So heat rejected to high temperature medium is equal to 60 kilojoule per minute plus ZQL, which we solved in the past question. So QH is equal to 110 kilojoule per minute, and that is our final answer.